Alright, you guys, I'm already telling you, this is gonna be a little bit ghetto. I did.
Stiletto pumps in the club. Yeah. Get crunk. Don't go back down when you see me because I'm coming up for you.
Today, I know you guys are probably like, nigga, like, what are you doing in your kitchen shirtless? Like, what kind of party is this? No, it's not that kind of party, whatever. I'm gonna be doing a DIY about how to go from black to blonde. I mean, I'm already blonde, clearly. This is all inclusive of this thing. Same steps that I took to get blonde in the first place. And I'll put a picture of it over here. But yeah, so I'm basically just gonna go ahead and reapply. So remember I said it's gonna be a little bit ghetto? This is the reason why. Because one, I'm using a comb as opposed to the little application brush. Two, I don't know where my shower cap is that I utilized last time, so I might have to use a grocery bag, period. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys all the products, which I really don't need that much because I clearly have short hair. So literally, I just need the Salon Care 40 developer, 40 volume cream developer, and the 30 volume cream developer. So it's those two. I'll put like links below about where you can get it and stuff. Obviously, you need your bleaching set. I got extra strength. I don't know if this is. This is so not my thing. Okay, just get back to me. I'll put the link to all of these below. Okay, so you guys won't have to worry about actually saying them. if I was a beauty influencer, you niggas would hate me. Like, whatever. And I'm using Wella Color Charm. It's a toner, and I got T14 for like a pale ash blonde. Of course, on my hair, it's not necessarily gonna come up that color because my hair's so dark. So yeah, so it came out a little bit more golden than I wanted, but yeah. Oh yeah, we cannot forget our measuring cups because I'm not like savvy with exactly like roughly how much 2.5 ounces and shit like that are. So we're gonna be using this as well. Okay. Overall, the application process is pretty easy. You just have to be aware of like your measurements and like the time and kind of work. So. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, I'm gonna get my 40 volume cream developer and put about a 1/3 cup, which is roughly 2.5 ounces. So actually, I'm not gonna fill up the cup all the way. I'm gonna leave like literally just a smidge because 1/3 of a cup is actually no 2.5 ounces is like 0.312 or whatever of a cup. So a 1/3 of a cup is
0.33 ounces. No, a 1/3 of a cup. A 1/3 of a cup is 0.33.
But like 2.5 ounces is equivalent to 0.312. So they're like pretty close. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna put a 1/3 of my 40 cream developer into my bowl. It's only I'm not gonna fill it completely, but it's gonna literally be just a smidge that's not. Because alright, so now I really should have filmed this in my bathroom, but I was just so tired of filming in my bathroom. I feel like y'all already had like 2 videos of me in there. Anyway, so yeah, so I used 2.5 ounces of the 40 volume cream developer, and now I'm gonna empty the contents of this entire packet of the L'Oreal Quick Blue bleaching powder that's good for on and off scalp application. Another reason why this is a little bit ghetto, one, I'm really mixing it with the comb, and then two, you're supposed to also use gloves. So do as I say, not as I do. Please utilize gloves. This is so I've had my hair like blonde for like I want to say about like 2 weeks now. Cause I got it like right before my birthday, before I went to London and Paris. Ooh, I think if I like the way this comes out, I might do like not the recap, but like the commentary on my trip after this. If it comes out okay. But if it comes out ugly, then we'll have to save that for a different day. It's supposed to be a very creamy like texture. I don't know if you guys can see. Would it be unprofessional of me to like get my iPhone camera out so like I can see? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So this is the texture. It's pretty creamy, but you're still gonna feel the powder. It looks very creamy. Just make sure you get all the crust in that position. Oh, I'm scared. It's like I'm not. I used to texturize my hair like all the time. So like low key, like playing in my hair is nothing. Oh yeah, there's another thing. Don't massage this into your scalp. You're not supposed to do that. It'll I don't know what it'll do, but I just would do it. I had to pause whatever. I was mixing this shit and stuff. But yo, like my niggas, like we need to take heat because I guess it's like before you put in the cream developer, that's when it's really pertinent that you wear gloves because a little bit of the powder actually got on my finger and it burnt me. I mean, I don't feel it, like it doesn't hurt, but like it was like literally forming like a second skin on my skin. So when they say wear gloves, my nigga, they mean it. I mean, I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't have it. I don't have the time to go back to the store to get any more. But like, yeah, it's like serious shit. Okay, so I'm actually about to start the application process with my comb because I'm ghetto. This low key isn't a gang shot. Actually, I'm gonna do this in my bathroom because, yeah, I don't got time for no fuck ups. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I applied everything all over my scalp as I did last time. So with that being said, I can't, like I said before, I can't find my shower cap to accelerate this process. You're supposed to leave it in for 40 minutes. So with that being said, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a grocery bag to my head since I can't find my shower cap anywhere. So I'll see you guys in 40 minutes. But you guys can't really see the difference like I could the first time because I'm already blind. But literally after about like 2 minutes of applying bleach to your hair or whatever, literally within like, I wanna say 2 minutes, you'll see like your hair color start turning, like it'll start to go from orangish to like blonde in like 2 seconds. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in 40 minutes, okay? What almost just happened to me is a testament of how it's always better to seek professional help. Because I decided to go ahead and use this grocery bag instead of shower cap because I can't find mine. And when I put it on, you know, I had to cover my eyebrows. I was just like, okay, well, whatever. Then I realized that there was also some bleach on my fucking eyebrow, bitch. I was about to have blonde eyebrows. I was about to look so crazy. But thank God I caught it. Alright, you guys, let me go ahead and wash this out with my Shimmer Light shampoo. But anyways, it says it's specifically for silver and blonde hair, and I'm blonde, so yeah. So I'm gonna utilize this and I'll be right back, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish the toning process, and yeah. So basically what I'm gonna use is my 30 volume developer, as well as my T14 Wella permanent liquid hair toner. And what that's gonna do is gonna tone my hair, like the sides of them look really brassy. So like it's basically, that's just gonna make it look a little bit more like an actual color and not like honey orange, you know what the fuck that is. So yeah, hopefully it works out. Okay. So once again, I have my 30 volume cream developer. And I need 2.8 ounces of that. So that is roughly, once again, 1/3 of a cup. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and utilize the whole third of the cup this time. Yes. And with that, I'm also going to utilize my whole T14 color charm. Well, this one is going to be more like a jelly type of thing. And when you apply it, it's going to turn purple. I'm going to run to my bathroom and apply this to my hair and show you guys how it looks when I get done. Okay? Alright, so I just put in my roller toner. I just applied it all over my scalp and shit. All over the sides. So hopefully it'll even everything out, which I know it won't, but hopefully it'll complement each other just a little bit more. Because right now it's giving me, I might have to go to a barber like right after this to get everything like all the bad parts like shaped up or whatever. So like I can have one tone and just be fine. So yeah. Alright you guys, so I'm back. Okay, so basically I'm back you guys, and this is like the finished product. Yeah, I mean I actually like it. I think it's really cute. So basically when I got done toning the hair, of course the top is brighter than the sides. So like when I got done toning my hair, I really wasn't feeling it because like basically there were some parts I missed like towards the end that were black. Then I had like this brass honey blonde thing going on that I originally had, but it wasn't matching the top. So it literally looked dumb, okay? It looked the fuck stupid. Only because I was retouching my roots as opposed to like not bleaching the whole thing that was already originally a different color. So like originally when I first dyed my hair blonde, it was like, okay, cute, you know what I mean? Everything was the same color. Now that I'm bleaching it again, and logically I should have told myself, Wale, you're going to be bleaching your hair at your roots, but you're also bleaching the hair at the top that was already bleached, but I didn't think about it like that. So I was just like literally livid. Mind you, a nigga supposed to be going out tonight, right? With that being said, do you guys know how hard it is to find a barber for me in San Antonio after 8 p.m.? You know what I mean? Like, it's just, it was really hard. So like, I literally said, fuck this video, because this video is probably gonna end up being trash. And I ended up running around to see if I could find a barber. And luckily I did, like so close to my house. And I'll be going back, because he was actually really cool. But anyways. Yeah, so if you're gonna dye your hair, especially men, like when you're dyeing your hair or whatever, just dye it before you go get it cut, because it makes a lot more sense that way. Because like that way you can just get them to fade out the uneven parts. For someone like me, because I like getting our fades anyway, fade out the uneven parts and just like, you know what I mean, like handle that. So I think that's about all. If you guys, oh yeah, I think that you guys also have had an easier time as well, is if instead of you going the ghetto route like I did and utilizing a comb to apply it to your hair, you actually had an application brush. That would be swell. Also, if you had a fucking shower cap instead of a grocery bag, that would have been optimal. And lastly, what else did I do that was ghetto? There was something else, but I'm sure I'll put it over here. So if you did all of those things the right way, you probably would have found things just that much easier, and you probably wouldn't have missed any of your edges like I did. But it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Alright you guys. Peace.